Good morning, students. Today we will continue worksheet number 3, question number 2. The bus fare for 20 person from Delhi to Chandigarh is rupees 9,500. Find the bus fare for 19 persons. Okay. So the bus fare for 20 person is rupees 9,500. Okay. Question number 2. Bus fare for 20 person is equal to rupees 9,500. So according to unitary method, first we will find out bus fare for one person. Bus fare for one person, and you know, to find bus fare for one person, we divide 9,500 by 20. 9,500 by 20. This is the way. Now what we want to find out? We want to find out bus fare for 19%. 19%. According to unity method, bus fare for 19%, we will multiply this number. We will multiply with this number. Okay. So this is the way. Now we can calculate it. 0, 0 cancel. With the 2 table, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 5 ja 10. You know how to cancel out the common factor. Now we will multiply 475 by 19. 475 by 19. 9 5 ja 45, 9 7 ja 63 and 4 67, 6, 9 4 ja 36 and 6 42, 475 1 ja 475. So 5 7 5 12, 7 to 9 or 1 10, 4 4 8 or 1 9. Rupees 9,025. So this is the bus fare for 19 persons. Similarly, you can do the third and fourth question. They are same. So I am doing now question number. Okay, I will do question number 3 for you. Okay, this is a very interesting question, because in this question number 3, Arun earned rupees 3,90,000 per year. Find his earning for 25 weeks. Okay. So first of all, you have to think, in 1 year how many weeks are there? In 1 year there are 52 weeks. This thing you have to remember. In 1 year there are 52 weeks. For this question you have to learn this concept. It means he is earning rupees 3,90,000 in 52 weeks. Because in 1 year there are 52 weeks. You can see in question number 3. Arun earned rupees 3,90,000 per year. Per year means 1 year. In 1 year how many weeks are there? 52 weeks are there. Okay. And we have to find out his earning in 25 weeks. Okay. अगर आपको निकालना हो कि 52 वीक्स कैसे आए, तो बेटा क्या तरीका होता है? इन 1 ईयर देर आर 365 डेज, तो इसको 7 से डिवाइड कर देंगे हम, है ना? अगर वीक में कन्वर्ट करना तो किससे करेंगे? 7 से डिवाइड कर दो. 365, 7 5 जा 35, 6 5 minus 1 5, 6 minus 5 1, sorry. Now 7 2 जा 14, 1 is remained. So 52 weeks are there and 1 days. तो इसको हम राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे, 1 डेज नहीं लेंगे. 1 ईयर में कितने बेटा? 52 वीक्स और 1 डे होते हैं. अगर लीप ईयर हो, 366 हो, तो 52 वीक्स एंड 2 डेज होंगे. ठीक है, कितने होंगे? 52 वीक्स एंड 2 डेज. बट इन व्हेन देयर इज नॉट लीप ईयर, इन लीप ईयर, नॉन लीप ईयर, देयर आर 365 डेज. सो 52 वीक्स आर देयर एंड 1 डेज एक्स्ट्रा. तो जब कभी भी आपने बेटा वीक निकालना हो तो पूरे ईयर को 7 से डिवाइड कर दो, क्योंकि 7 में क्या होता है? 7 डेज का क्या होता है? एक वीक 7 डेज का होता है. क्लियर? नाउ विल डू द क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज Arun earned rupees 3,90,000 per year. It means in 52 weeks. In 52 weeks, Arun's earning is rupees 3,90,000. Now what does the unitary method say? In 1 week, हम 1 week में निकालेंगे. In 1 week Arun earning 3,90,000 divided by 52. और कितने वीक में निकालनी हमको? हमें 25 वीक्स में निकालनी. इन 25 वीक्स अरुण earning 3,90,000 upon 52 into 25. अब 52 से इसको डिवाइड करके देख लेते हैं बेटा, ठीक है. Now we can cancel out the common factor. Now we can, we can cancel it out by 13 with the table of 13. 13 4 ja 52, 13 3 ja 39, and 4 0 will be there. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 15 ja 30, and 3 zeros. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 0 0. ऐसा आप कटिंग कर सकते हो, ठीक है. ये लग गया है ना. नाउ अब हम क्या करेंगे, 7500 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 7500 इंटू 25. तो 75 को सिर्फ 25 से कर लेते हैं और 2 जीरो तो लगनी है, ठीक है ना. 5 5 जा 25, 7 5 जा 35 और 2 37, 75 2 जा 150, 5 7 187500. तो रुपीज 187500. Okay, this will be the answer. So 1,87,500. Clear? Now next question is the cost of 18 kg wheat is rupees 200. This is again easy question. The cost of 18 kg wheat is rupees 216. Find the cost of 1 quintal wheat. So first of all you must know how many kg are there in 1 quintal. Okay, because when you are solving question beta, your unit should be same. Here wheat is in kg and here in quintal. So both should be in kg. So we will convert 1 quintal. In 1 quintal there are 100 kg. How many kg? 100 kg. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Okay. So cost of 18 kg. Cost of 18 kg wheat is equal to rupees 216. So according to unitary method, first we will find out cost of 1 kg wheat. This will be divided by 216 divided by 18. Now cost of 1 quintal. 1 quintal means 100 kg. 100 kg is equal to 216 upon 18 into 100 kg. Now with the table of 18 we can cut it out. 18 1 ja 18, 2 left, no sorry 3 left, 36, 18 2 ja 36. नहीं तो आप डिवाइड करके भी देख सकते हो बेटा, अगर नहीं आ रहा आपको. यहाँ पर ऐसे कर लो 216, 18 1 ja 18, 11 minus 8 3, and 18 2 ja 36, 12. So 12 into 100 rupees 1200. Clear? So this is question number 4. Clear? तो इसी तरह बेटे बाकी क्वेश्चन भी आप कर सकते हो. All questions are same in this worksheet. Worksheet number 3. So In next video I will solve 1 or 2 question of this, then this worksheet will be over. Okay, and after that we will solve brain teaser. Clear? Thank you.